Hey guys, in this video, Bitcoin is currently at $24,100. We did a very nice live stream during the FOMC announcement of the 25 basis points. Upon that, we didn't see much of an increase. However, when the Fed chair spoke, he said some good stuff. So that caused a major run in the price of Bitcoin. But we're going to look at the price chart right now. And also, there is some pretty good news. We've gotten mortgage rates are decreasing. We've got a couple of other stuff that's pretty awesome too. However, most important of all, Charlie Munger, one of the founders of Berkshire Hathaway, said that Bitcoin should be banned in the United States. So I'm going to talk about that as well, all in this video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like if you like this video. And nothing in this video is financial advice, guys. As always, make sure to do your own research before trading or investing. This is just my own personal opinion only, and I could be completely wrong with my TA and my opinion. So again, do your own research. But guys, let's jump into the video. So let me show you the chart of Bitcoin right now. Now, if you watch the live stream, I reevaluated this, right? It looked more like a bearish continuation pattern when I was reevaluating before I went to sleep. And we had this, and it was just looking more like a bearish continuation pattern. We had this, flag type of thing forming, but now we can see that it was a very nice ascending channel. I wish I stayed up a bit more, but it's fine, guys. No worries, no need to lose sleep. But this formed, and it was beautiful if you were staying up, because where I am, it's pretty late in Dubai. But if you stayed up, this would have been a beautiful trade if you had traded the breakout, which is amazing. I tried to update on the Telegram channel, but again, it was just too late, so I went to bed. And we came to the very, very important resistance of this parallel channel support on the weekly chart, and we're currently retesting it once more. So on the weekly chart, we have been forming this parallel channel for a very, very long period of time. Now, my target for this breakout of this parallel channel is $27,666, which I calculate by just measuring the distance from the midsection to the top, and then you just put it above the breakout place, and that gives you a target of around $27,666. And also the ambitious target is the full length, which you measure just like so, and that is $31,000. Now, the $31,000 is a pretty ambitious target. However, we do have major touches on this trend line. So if we do manage to pass $27,000 somehow, I don't think it is a very unrealistic target. But again, we'd have to smash past $27,000. Also, guys, just wanted to quickly cut in. If you want to get up to $30 put towards your new plan on TradingView, don't forget to use this link in the description below. You can get up to $30 put towards TradingView, which is what the charting software I use. I think it's the best, and this is a very cool opportunity. Also, this is a link to the free Telegram chat, which you could also join in the link in the description below. And follow me on Twitter, guys. I do put a lot of stuff on my Instagram, TikTok, and finally, you can get up to a $30,000 on Bybit. I think it's the best derivatives platform out there if you want to trade, and you can get up to a $30,000 deposit bonus if you use this link, which is better than nothing. So just wanted to put that out there. Now, we still have 3 days of this candle left. That's why I don't want to talk, because again, personally, something that I've learned is not to wait for the candle to close before you make your analysis, right? So this is a reversal candle right now, but there's still 3 days and 6 hours for this candle to close, so I don't want to speak too soon. On the daily chart, however, again, we're just at a very, very critical moment, and we need to see where this next candle will open. So if I jump into the 4-hourly chart and look at some of our oscillators, well, the stochastic has flipped bullish, right? The RSI is now entering into the overbought territory, so I would be careful because of that. And the MACD is still heading to the upside. So again, I would be careful. Right, I would be careful. We had this mini bull flag forming. I wanted to do this video a bit earlier on, but I had no time. So we had this ascending channel again, bull flag type thing forming a couple of hours back, which we broke out perfectly also, and now we're touching this very, very important resistance. We could see a mini reversal. However, if we smash past this line of resistance, then again, it would be incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. So I just watch out right now, like literally right now, it's super critical. If I jump into the S&P, we can see that there was a huge gap on the S&P opening, especially after yesterday's speech. Markets opened very nicely. We're at $4,184 on the S&P, and our target for the S&P is $4,300 after we broke out from this ascending triangle. And if that happens, again, that is super bullish for Bitcoin. Looking at the DXY, the DXY is basically inversely correlated with Bitcoin. So whenever the DXY goes down, Bitcoin goes up, and vice versa. And the thing is, with the DXY, we've been seeing a couple of doji candles. Now, doji candles means that there's uncertainty in the market. And when you see a doji candle like this after a downtrend, it usually indicates a reversal. And we're currently at a very important line of resistance. We're literally touching it right now. As you can see, this is a very important line of support. And if we bounce from here, again, the MACD looks like it's going to flip bullish pretty soon on the DXY. So we could potentially have a mini rally, and this could cause Bitcoin to have a little bit of a drawback down. And if I switch to the daily chart, the potential drawback target for Bitcoin is, again, I would say around about here. So $22,600 is a nice target, in my opinion, on the daily chart for us to have a mini retracement to, and then we could reevaluate if we don't break out today. But again, this is pretty important. If we break up from this resistance, then it would be super bullish for Bitcoin. And again, guys, join my Telegram channel. It's completely for free. Again, I try to update here as much as possible. We had a very nice doji candle, reversal candle that didn't play out because we formed that triangle that I was talking about. So and you can join completely for free. It's in the description below, so make sure to check the description out below if you want to join, and I share as much information as possible. So again, the CPI report was super bullish in the last month, so that's why we saw that huge rally from $16,000 to all the way that we're here right now. So inflation is on paper decreasing. The interest rates have increased, right, which is not actually great, but it looks like we could see a decrease after the next, 2 or 1. They want to get it down to 2%, inflation 2%. So let's see, right? I'm not too certain on the interest rates. I don't have a personal opinion, but again, inflation is decreasing, so that's the fact. And a couple of stuff that the Fed chair said, that the market has decided inflation will go down, and that is a very positive thing. So these things cause Bitcoin to rally. Is the hard part yet to come? Well, we don't actually know. Certainty is not appropriate here. And he said that for the first time, the disinflationary process has started. So these things caused the Bitcoin to have an increase. So again, comments like these caused some nice strength in the market. And for the final thing, again, before the last final thing, mortgage rates dropped to the 5% range since first time in September, which is also super bullish. Again, mortgage rates dropping means that the economy is coming to a healthier state, which is again super bullish for Bitcoin and other assets too. And the final thing is Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger urges the US government to ban crypto. Now, again, people are ridiculing this, but some of the points he mentions is actually not too bad. I mean, he's saying that, of course, there is a lack of regulation in crypto to protect investors. Like, for example, FTX, the biggest scandal in history. I mean, there clearly isn't enough regulation to protect investors and traders. So I think he's, if you look into that, this is a bit of a clickbait title, of course, but if you read some of the stuff that he said, it's actually not that far-fetched, right? So I do think that regulation has to come to protect investors, and yeah, he is right in saying that. So that is a bit of clickbait. So I wanted to clarify that up a little. But guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. So take care. Bye-bye.